We're seeing my ugly face again, so it looks like we're going to have some active weather. Start with taking a look at the cold side of this system. You can see some winter storm warnings in affected areas east of the divide across the mountains, at Sorokas, Wind Rivers, as well as the Bighorn Mountains. And west of the divide, mainly winter weather advisories. Not quite as much snow falling here, but some of the higher peaks could get locally higher amounts. You see by the snowfall amounts again, east of the divide getting the most. Bighorn Range, as well as the Wind Rivers, could see well over a foot in some places, maybe locally as high as 2 feet. And then locally up to a foot across the higher peaks across areas west of the divide. Now for something completely different, as Monty Python would say, those of you old enough to remember that. Going to the warm side of this is total what meteorologists call QPF, basically combined rain and snow. Highest amounts across the mountains, maybe locally up to 2 inches there. Lower elevations, portions of Fremont County could see over an inch, inch and a half of rain, as well as portions of Hot Springs County, Johnson County, as well as Natrona County. Now, as far as any flood potential, can't rule out some minor flooding in some of those areas that are prone to it. We're not expecting anything widespread out of this, though, because most areas, other than today, it has been fairly dry over the past week or so. And for even have some thunderstorms in the forecast as well. Much of the area could see a chance of a run-of-the-mill thunderstorm, basically small hail, gusty winds. Chance of some stronger storms, though, anywhere, say, Casper down to the east of Rock Springs. Main threat there will be quarter-size hail, maybe some locally higher wind gusts. So to sum everything up, snow very likely across portions of the mountains, especially east of the divide, especially this afternoon into tonight. That's when the heaviest snow will fall. Especially tonight, I think is going to be the epicenter of it. Travel shouldn't be too bad during the day today with a very strong May sun angle. However, late to tonight when the heaviest snow comes in, also we lose the heating of the day, could be some slushy or snow-covered roads, especially the passes, and especially I'd say Salt River Pass as well as Togany Pass, since those are over about 9,000 feet. And thunderstorms and rain, again, locally stronger thunderstorms, southeastern portions of the area, Natrona County as well as Sweetwater County, and locally over an inch of rain across many areas of central Wyoming. It could be some localized flooding. And there's our resources for weather, road conditions, as well as webcams by route. Be safe, everybody.